Every time you feel like you cannot go on.
Yo guys, TechnoSmart here, back at it again with another video after a long time. And in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off that slow animations on your iPhone device. And this method is going to be working on every iPhone. So if you are troubled with that slow animation, then continue watching this video till the end. So bring your iPhone and go into settings and then search for general and then go into accessibilities, and there you will find reduce motion. So just tap on it and turn it on. And now if I'll go into home screen, as you can see there are no animations and it's very fast and very quick. So as you can see, no animations. It's amazing. My Instagram and Twitter link is in the description down below. Go ahead and follow me there. So that about wraps it up. Thanks for watching. This is TechnoSmart signing off. Have a great day guys. Peace.